Come test drive the 2011 Mercury Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, rear window defroster, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.